Hey guys, Anthony here with a tutorial on how to create ASMR videos in VideoExpress 2.0, which is a fun generative AI video creation app. ASMR stands for Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, and it's a term used to describe a tingling or goosebump sensation in response to specific triggering audio and visual stimuli. So here are a couple of examples of ASMR fruit cutting animations. So let me show you how to create these types of animations in VideoExpress. So I'm logged into my VideoExpress account. It has a basic video editor, as you can see here. So you start by clicking Create with AI in the right side toolbar. From this pop-up panel, choose Create from Prompt, and you'll see this dialog box. You can choose landscape or vertical. I'll just stick with the default landscape mode. In this image scene prompt box, enter a prompt, and this is essentially the prompt to create the image first. And I'll provide you the prompt in the description section. Next, I'll use this drop down and then choose photorealistic. I'll uncheck both these boxes and then click on Create Image. It will then start generating the image based on the prompt that we provided, so just give it a few seconds. So here is the image, and if you're not happy with it, you can just hit the Create Image button again. If you hover your mouse over the image, you can use the Save button to save the image, which will be saved to the media library. Next, you need to enter the animation prompt in this video action prompt box. And again, I'll share this prompt in the description section. I'll check this box, which will essentially increase the duration of the video clip up to 8 seconds. And then I'll click on Create Video. It'll then start generating the video and then bring you back to this page, where you'll see this notification saying that the video will be in the media library once completed. So I'll close this dialog box, and I'll click on Media Library in the right side toolbar. I'll go to the My AI Videos folder, and here you'll see the progress of the video generation. And once completed, you can right-click on it, and from this pop-up, you can click Play, which is what I'll do. And as you can see, that is how the animation came out. And that looks pretty good to me, but if you're not happy with the animation, you can click this redesign button to redo it again. Let me close this dialog box, and then you can right click on the video clip, and then from these options, click on download to download it to your local drive or computer. So here is another example of a red strawberry cutting animation that I created using the same approach. If you've already got an image that you created before, you can use the image to video feature to create the ASMR video animation. To do so, click on Create with AI in the right side toolbar, and then choose Image to Video. Click the Select button, and you'll see these folders. I'll head over to the My Artistly Images folder, which is where I created my image. And then from here, I'll select this pineapple image and then click Choose. You'll see this dialog box pop up. I'll select this video action prompt and then delete it and then replace it with my own video action prompt. I'll choose photorealistic. I'll check this box so my video clip is extended up to 8 seconds and then click on Create Video. You'll then start generating the animation and then bring it back here. So I'll just close this dialog box and then go to Media Library, the right side toolbar, and then click on My AI Videos. And here you'll see the progress for the video generation like you mentioned earlier. And here is the completed video. So let me just play it so that you can see how it came out. And sometimes you may need to regenerate it a couple of times to get the desired results. If you'd like to get VideoExpress for a one-time discounted price, check the link in the description section. Well, hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section. Thanks for watching.